At 20i, we have an easy-to-use malware scanner that will scan the contents of hosting packages looking for known malware signatures. If malware is detected on a hosting package, PHP mail and cron jobs will be disabled until the malware scanner shows is clean. Malware scans are run daily, but will only scan packages where the files have changed since the last scan. You can run malware scans manually using the Malware Scanner tool, which you'll find on every hosting package. To find this, you'll need to manage the hosting from the Manage Hosting page. Once you are managing the package, you can scroll to the Security section and click on the Malware Scan icon. If the package is new and has never had a scan run, or no malware has been found from the automatic scans we run, then you'll have the option to start a new scan, and you can press the button to start a malware scan. Once this is complete, it will show if the package is clean or infected. In this case, there is malware in this package. The scan shows the files that are infected and the type of malware that has been found. Sometimes files have been added and can simply be removed, but sometimes code is injected into core files which are needed for the website. When a package has malware, the best course of action is to replace the files with known clean versions and remove files that are not needed. If you click on Show Full Report, that will show more information. You can go to the File Manager from the Malware Scan page by clicking the option next to the infected files to check the files or remove them. To replace files, you would need a set of clean files and upload them to the website. If the files relate to plugins, removing and reinstalling plugins is often the best method. You can also use the malware report on your account. You can find this under the Reports section on the left-hand side of the page, under Malware Detection. The malware report will show all packages where malware has been found, the time of the last scan, and the number of infected files. To show a more detailed report, select View Report. You will now see the full list of infected files on the package. Once any malware issues have been resolved, it is the best practice to make sure the website is updated, along with any plugins, themes, or modules it may use. Changing any passwords related to the website, especially database connection information, is best practice in case those details were compromised. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out the full documentation at docs.20i.com and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.